Hey there, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Connor and I'm a seasoned binary options trader. I'm here to help you learn how to successfully trade binary options so that you can make money quickly and easily. Trading binary options is simple, easy and incredibly affordable if you know what you are doing. That's why I'm here to share with you my most profitable trading strategies that have helped me become a successful trader. Even if you are new to trading, don't worry, I've got you covered. As a member of our closed Telegram group, you will receive free signals that are 90% accurate, so you can make informed trading decisions. Let's start our trading session and make some money together. Grab a cup of coffee, relax, and see how easy it is.
Hey guy, welcome to my YouTube channel. Here I show you how to trade binary options and how to make good results. My trading strategies are not gonna let you down. Today we trade OTC, so the buy to out trade is the most profitable. Guys, all the pairs have 92%. I also want to remind you guys that OTC means that trading takes place directly between the trades, not via the exchange, so you have to be very careful. That's why we are gonna open our position in the directions of the trends. I got $100 on our balance. We trade for the all money as usual, so we are gonna make good profit today. Let's pick our indicators. It's gonna be the RSI, the fractal, and the zigzag. They will be huge help for us today. Don't change the settings. We are good with the default ones, and let's start. Let's find the first currency pair for the most profitable position here. Let's have a look at the pairs. We are gonna open long position here. Let me explain the principle of position entry. We observe a clear uptrend here. I'll point out the trend line. Then we see that the local low has been updated here. They expect to see the conditional of the uptrend. The price is gonna move to the upside towards updating the new local high. Previously, the local high was updated at this point. According to the fractal, and the next local high should be way higher. That's why we open the long position. If you look at the RSI, we see that the moving average hasn't crossed the overbought zones yet. That's why we open some space for the uptrend dynamic, and the price is gonna move higher. And there we go. Our position has been closed in profits. Actually, it was kind of close. By the way, our signals played out perfectly, and we're gonna $192 on our balance. Let's move on. Let's update the trades amount first and continue our trading session. Reminding you guys that then we trade OTC currency pairs. We should open with the trend like we did in the previous trade. We are gonna find the most promising currency pair for the better trade entry. So that do we got here. It's not clear so far. Let's open our long position, guys. This is looks really promising. The first thing to notice, guys, is that the movement average just hit the oversold zones at on the RSI, and it's gonna reverse and start moving up. Also, take a look at this huge downtrend movement, the massive corrections. Before opening, I watched the charts on the bigger time frame, and the trend was more upward. That's why we opened with the trend and expect the price to go up. So the pullback will definitely happen, and the local high will be updated. I think the local low has been updated at this point, and now the price should go to the upside. That's why we open the long position in the directions of the trend. We are in profit, and we are $368 on our balance. This is a good start, guys. There is no stopping here. Let's continue the trade session. Well, that we got here. So looks good. Let's open an hour long position, guys. I think the trend entry level is really good. We observe a healthy uptrend here. There was a huge pump to the upside, after which we see some consolidation and finally this correction here. And now the pullback is imminent here. The trend should be continued. That's why we opened the long in the directions of the trend. That's why we expect to see the pullback, guys. We don't look at the RSI. It doesn't show us anything but signs. We are sticking to the rule to open with the trend, then trading OTC. And yep, the pullback is gaining momentum, exactly as we expected, guys. And there are $707 on our balance. Let's update the trade amount and continue the trading session. Well, that's do we got here. Looks really promising. Let's wait a little bit. And now we are open the short position here. I'll point out the workspace, and then we see this huge downtrend dynamic here, after which the local low was updated, then a little pullback to the upsides, and by it now should be over. The uptrading of the local high has already happened, and we see this red candle, so the price is gonna move lower, and the VC downtrades should be continued. Also, if we take a look at the RSI, we see that the moving average crossing the middle line, and it's gonna move towards the oversold zones. So we have some space for downtrade dynamics, and that's why we open the short. And there we go. Our position has been closed with a profit. We almost 1.5 thousand on our balance. Let's continue the trend session. There is no stopping here. Let's continue analyzing. Looks really impressive. Let's wait a little. However, I'm not really confident about this one. They are not gonna open here. Well, I see the uptrend. The correction should be over here. Let's open long position following then trend direction. I'll point out the workspace. Like I said, here's the uptrend. I'll point out the trend line. We see that the lows become higher, the price is moving within the expanding channel. We see the uptrend updating of the local low, then this pullback to the upside. Basically, we see this kind of movement. Our local high and lows are becoming higher. We can clearly see that. So previously there was the updating of the local high here, then these corrections, and it should be over by now, because we see the inceptions of green candle, and the price is gonna move up in the directions of the uptrends. That's why we open a long, and we are, there we go. Our position has been closed in profits, exactly as they predicted. A nice one, guys. Let's continue the trading session and find the next currency pair for the better position entry. So looks like an uptrend. Let's see. Let's take our time. Okay, here's the downtrend. Let's open two long short position and in the direction of the trend. The principle is exactly the same. I'll point out the workspace. First one, all I wanna point on the trend line here. We see lower high and the lower lows. That's why we can conclude that with the downtrend. After the updating of the local high, there was a huge dump here, then a little pullback did happen, after which they expect to see the continuation of the trend, so the price is gonna down. That's why we open the short position in the direction of the trend, and there's we go. Our position are in profits. This is a good one, and I don't want to stop here. Let's continue the trading session. Let's find another position entry, and let's open fourth short position here in the direction of the trend. First of all, take a look at these massive resistance zones. The price is gonna rebound and move to the downside. And again, I want to point out the trend here. There was a healthy downtrend dynamic here, then a small pullback followed up. The price hit the resistance zones, and now it's gonna rebound and move down. As simple as that. If you look at the RSI, we see the reversal here. The moving average is near the level 50, and it's gonna move down towards the oversold zones. That's why we open the short. And yep, all the positions are in profits. Now is time to open our final positions, and we are gonna open withdraw the money. Let's find the most promising currency pair. Let's open 7 long positions in the directions of the uptrends. I'll point out the workspace. As always, I'm gonna point out the trend line. We can see a clear uptrend, upper heights and upper lows. There was some upward dynamics, after which the uptrend of the local high didn't happen. Then we see these corrections, which should be over by now, and the fractal will show this. The up trading of the local low has happened, and the principal is gonna move up. That's why we open our long position in the directions of the trends. And yep, look at the beautiful breakout. This is exactly that's the needed. There are less than 5 seconds left before the closing, and there we go. All the positions have been closed with profit. We are happy, and we can't call it's a night. But first we are gonna withdraw the money. Well, let's move to the withdrawal. Let's withdraw. I guess $14,000. Let it be $14 to $100. Yep. I'll put on the BTC addresses and the code, and we press the continue button, and there we go. Our transaction is being processed. I'll touch the screen. There's this done as usual, and yep, thank you guys for watching. I hope you got the principle of trading. everything is simple. Be sure to use it in your own trading, and you are not gonna reject about this. See you next time, guys. Good luck and trading. Bye.